We'll guide you through how to fix fast charging not working on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as it takes longer for your phone to go and charge without it. Of course, first of all, make sure you are using a fast charger as well. That's going to be needed. If you're using one but it's still not working, let's get into some fixes. So go and open up settings like so. Then what you want to do is come down and find battery. In battery, you need to go and scroll down and go and find charging settings. You need to make sure fast charging is switched on like so. If it's currently switched on, then you can try turning it off for a few seconds and then turning it back on. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, then next go and open up the phone app and you want to come to the keypad at the bottom. Type in *9900#. That will bring you here, and what you need to do is go and scroll down and go and find battery stats reset. Tap there and it'll then go and say done. Now go and see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, then it's worth performing a restart. So what you can do is hold down the side button on your device, press restart and confirm your decision and press it again. When the device starts again, hopefully now fast charging will be working.